Hello guys, we are busy making dinner. I'm with my cousin. I'm going to show you my night routine today. How I actually prep. Oh, okay, you can see me better. Better. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil. Okay, so basically, I just prepare my hair like this so that it doesn't get wet and messy. Basically, what I use is this. I don't have the automatic one though. I use a manual one. So it's like this. This one I got it in Pep. Was it Pep Home? I got it in Pep and it was only $20. Literally. It's exactly like the automatic one, just that this one you have to make it manual. You have to do it yourself. So what I usually do, I just wet it. And I usually use this spa soap. It's actually Dove. If you can see. Yeah, the Dove. It's very nice. I think for some reason it's nice because it doesn't have a scent, and usually it's like it doesn't really give me allergies. I actually have a lot of acne, hey? A lot of acne, but since I started using Dove, they're getting better now. So what I'll do, I'll wet the Dove, and then I'll just do this. I'll roll this over. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil. So I usually try to apply as much soap as possible, just until like the whole makeup is off. I can rinse my face 2 or 3 times, just depending on how until I'm satisfied. So my face has been a little bit dry these days because I've been using this to remove my acne. The light is too bright. I don't know if you can see. It says anti-acne. And then since it's dry at night, I usually just use this, the oil syrup, So I changed into my nighties. So I'm actually just packing away the dishes for the evening. Yeah. Imagine how I used to drink. So guys, that's the end of the video. I have someone here who wants to say good night. Oh my gosh, I don't know why people are so shy of making videos, especially in Namibia. Do you guys know that this is like a normal thing in America? People vlog all the time. If you go in town and you hold your phone like this, people will look at you in a weird way. I made the video. Maybe it was. Okay, so much to move on to TikTok since you want TikTok.
So, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you loved my girls cooking. And
It wasn't really cooking.
What
It's more
was
like
it?
a night.
oh. Okay, I hope you guys loved the night with Annaliisa.
Yes. Angie.
And
okay, but you're not really
I
part of the
wasn't
video.
really there, but I was in the background.
Mm-hmm.
So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Tune in next time on YouTube for this ball of fun. Ciao. Okay.
I didn't even say ciao.
Okay, say ciao.
Next time with Annaliisa. Bye. Guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Amutenya. This is my account. My link is also there for YouTube. I also have the same handle name on TikTok. This is my TikTok account at Amutenya as well. Do follow me. Thank you. And finally, the YouTube account. Please do subscribe. It really helps my channel grow. And it will help me as well to motivate me to as well make more videos for you guys. Thank you. See you in my next video.